There's 3 things you should know before making Dolly Parton's fabulously fudgy brownies. Hi! We're in the kitchen today with Dolly Parton's brand new baking kit, and today we're making brownies.
Yes.
So you tell them what you're going to make.
I am going to make the fabulously fudgy brownies.
The recipe on the side of the box.
Oh, don't look at the calories.
No, we don't want to look at the calories.
Look this way.
Okay, the easy prep recipe on the side of the box.
Yep.
Point it out for them, Cora.
Right here.
All of Dolly's mixes include a basic recipe and then a little recipe with something extra.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go extra on the back, and I'm gonna do the pecan pie brownies. She wants basic brownies, then that's fine too.
Yeah, I'm so excited.
Here's what you need to know about the batter. The recipe on the box starts out just like any other brownie mix recipe. Egg, milk, but this time, instead of the usual vegetable oil, Dolly calls for melted butter. Included is a little pack of fudge for extra fudginess. Okay, Cora is spreading around the brownie batter, and then we're gonna pop it in the oven. Don't add anything to your batter to thin it out. It is supposed to be that thick. All of Dolly's cake mixes are thick, and that's what I love so much about them. They are moist and rich. It's that thick batter that gave us fudgy brownies like this. Hey, brownies are in the oven. Tell everyone what it smells like in here right now.
It smells delicious.
Tip number 3. Most recipes tell you to toothpick test the center of the pan. But Dolly's recipe says to test towards the edge. The edge of our brownies tested clean, but the center was still gooey. We pulled them out anyway according to the directions, and this is what we got. Have you ever seen brownies so rich and fudgy? These brownies had a perfectly done outer shell, which was just right for being able to hold and cut the brownies. But the inside, it was all fudge. So it's time for the taste test, time for the big reveal. They look beautiful. What was your favorite part about making Dolly's fabulously fudgy brownies?
It was like so easy, and it was just so much fun.
You like to bake, don't you? And actually, it looks like one of yours is already missing.
I ate it.
What?
I ate it.
Okay. Well, we're still gonna do a taste test. So, let's see. Pick a brownie. Okay, nice. Do you like the ones on the edges with the crispy sides, or do you like the soft ones from the center?
I don't know. I kind of like both.
Oh, okay. Give it a try. Can I have a bite? Okay. So what I immediately noticed about the fabulously fudgy brownies, and that's the recipe from the side of the box, is that they're super moist. And if you saw her mixing these up, you noticed that there was a fudge packet included in the box, and that just makes them super fudgy. But one more thing about this. She could hardly even mix the batter. It was so thick, wasn't it?
Yeah, but when it's thick, that means that you're gonna have so good brownies, and they're gonna be nice and fluffy.
Mm-hmm. I thought it was gonna be too thick. And I love to bake. That's good. And I bake a lot. And when I saw how thick the batter was, I thought maybe I had made a mistake. And so we checked the recipe, and sure enough, we did everything right. The batter was so thick. Could hardly even spread it out, right? But we just went with it, put them in the oven. They baked so fudgy. I've never had brownies so fudgy. If you like cake brownies, this is not for you. If you like fabulously fudgy brownies, this is for you.
Okay.
I think Dolly should start a bakery.
I do too. Dolly should start a bakery.
These fabulously fudgy brownies were the first item from Dolly's second baking collection that we've tried. We've tried the cake mixes, the frostings. They have all impressed us, but these brownies really blew us away. On a scale of 1 to 10, we give them
100!
Do you like to bake? Subscribe for more videos and watch our Dolly Parton baking playlist here.